What's better than making gingerbread cookie ornaments for your Christmas tree? Let's mix up the gingerbread dough. I've got the dry ingredients already mixed together, and the butter and the brown sugar are creamed. So we're going to add the molasses. Kind of hard to get out of the cup, so I use a rubber spatula. The molasses gives it this nice brown color and the signature taste of gingerbread, along with some of the spices that we put in with our dry ingredients. I've always loved those colors of the spices. They're so pretty. We also add an egg. Then we add our dry ingredients into the butter mixture and mix those up. This needs to go into the refrigerator to chill well before we roll it out. I'm going to roll it to about 1/4 inch thick. That looks good. Oh, my cute little gingerbread man, of course. There he is. Catch me if you can. I'm the gingerbread man. We're going to put him on an ungreased cookie sheet. Then we're going to reuse this dough and roll it out again. I love gingerbread cookies. When we're done rolling the cookies out, I'm going to use a straw to make holes in the top of the cookies, and then I can put a ribbon in it after it's baked. Bake the gingerbread cookies at 350 degrees. So let gingerbread cookies cool right on the cookie sheet. We're going to take a couple of the gingerbread men and we're going to decorate them. This is the fun part. I'm going to edge the gingerbread men in white. So on this one I'm going to put on 3 white buttons, but then I'm going to put red hearts on top of them. There's a gingerbread man cookie story about Catch Me If You Can. That would be a fun one to read after decorating your cookies. When the frosting is dry, we'll take a ribbon and tie through the hole so that we can hang it on the tree. Gingerbread cookie ornaments are great to make with the grands. Merry Christmas from WelcomeToNanas.com.